Hello civil engineers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to share you on the best way to do your detailing for your foundation layout in Protadetails. So first of all, we need to export the the product. We need to export it from Protastructure. So um, I already did my analysis for this building. So I can just repeat the analysis before I export everything to Protadetails. So building model is building analysis. Okay. So I can just update. So the building analysis is still there. So I can go to visual interrogation and then design status. Okay. So it's saying expired analysis. So I need to repeat the analysis so that I can export everything to the details. Talking about FE flow analysis. Okay, FE flow analysis, no problem. So I need to go to, this is Prota 2018, so don't worry about the layout, but it's just the same with the current one, the updated one. So here you need to go to concrete design and then Protadetails. So Protadetails is loading. Please bear with my computer, it's a bit slow, but I'm trying. So I think it has now loaded. So you need to go to auto generate details. Auto generate details. So double click there. And then I prefer to check this, draw on separate files and insert to sheet. So I'm going to export I'm going to export everything. I'm going also to check that. I'm not going to check this, draw each story on a separate file. Right. So part footing dimension, yeah, I'm going to check that. Strip footing dimension. Okay. So draw. So from my assessment, I think detailing in Protadetails is much faster as compared for you to export everything. For you to export everything to do DXF and then detail in AutoCAD. So your work will be much easier if you started by arranging everything in Protadetails, which is much faster. Then you can now go to you export it to DXF or DWG, and then finish the remaining part in AutoCAD. So please wait, it is processing. There's a lot of drawings it's making. So remember, today I'm speaking on foundation to show you how really fast I can do it if I'm using Protadetails instead of AutoCAD. Right, we are done. We're good. So okay, I'm going to go to form plan for story 00. Yeah, I need this one. Or I can just generate it separately. I could just generate it separately. So I need story 00 to select or select. I need pad footing. I need form plan. Draw. Now I can expand these. Now I can remove and delete, just delete this. And then I have four types of column. I have this column 250 by 350. I have this column 225 by 220 by 300, and I have this column 400 by 225, and I have the circular column 300 meter diameter. So I'm going to detail each type of column here. So I need to pick one for 250 by 350. Actually, there are four because I have 250 by 400. So I'm going to start by 250 by 400. So this is column number FC47, right? So FC47 is on grid 4. I can just go back to my grid number 4. So it is this column. So this is column one FC47. So what you need to do here, you need to pick the column at the top. It is 4C32. So 4C32. So you're going to go to column elevation. I'm going to go to the floor, which is story 8, 4C32, this one. And you're going to right click and then draw column elevation throughout stories. So click there and then OK. And then drag it just here. Okay, so that is column type 1. I'm going to go to column type 2, 250 by 350. So I'm going to pick the topmost column because each floor is different column. So you cannot have a column 12 meter, that is too long. So each floor is one column. So I'm going to pick the topmost column for this here. So I need to go to here and then you see if I pick this one, story 6, you can see story 6, 3FC29. It will pick from this floor downward. So I need to pick the topmost, which is 4C29, story 8. So I'm going to go to story 8, 4C29. This one, right click and then draw column through stories. Okay. Then and just make sure that they are on the same level there. You can see You can see the axis. Yeah, just like that. And then we need to go to the next type of color, 400 by 225. I'm going to pick one. So I'll just pick this one, the topmost. It is on story 9. It is 9C1, right? So I'm just going to come here and story 9C1. Then I pick the second one, draw column, elevation, draw stories. Okay, just instead of you picking, drawing, exporting everything, and then you need to combine them in AutoCAD. So that would be a lot of work. Alright, so my last type of column is this one, circular column, diameter 300 or 150 radius. So this is, just need to go and pick one FC35, the topmost. So it is this column from the Protastructure. This one here, one FC35. So I'm going to pick this one. For FC35, it is in story 8, right? So you can see there, story 8, 4C, 4C, uh, 4C35. Go through the story, then drag it just here. And then we have not finished detailing. So we need to go and pick the bases, right? So for this base, I'm going to pick, it is on base. It's for the 35, FC35 is on base FC35, this one here, right? So I'm going to go to the pad footing detail, FC35, draw. So I'm going to just put it right here, down here. And then I can pick this one, and then I can orthogonal, then snap. So it's going to snap the midpoint for this. I don't know why it's not snapping the midpoint, but you can just finish the rest of detailing in AutoCAD. So you just need to carry this and drag it here, right? And then you're going to go to AutoCAD and trim it. So I'm going to go to this base, it was this one, F27, draw, and just put it down. Then I'm going to go to the other base, this one, it was on grid 4. No, it was the third one, FC, is this 200 by 350, which is F46. So just put it down here. Then the last one was FC47. F47, which is 250 by 400. Yes, so you can see very fast instead of going to AutoCAD and then start to combine all these, like and draw each type of column. And remember, you need to have at least less than 5 types of column. So now you can export this and finish your detailing in AutoCAD. So it will be much easier. So you can go back to detailing, export, and I can start by renaming. I should rename this to be foundation layout. Yeah, foundation layout. So now I can export the foundation layout to not bring confusion. Yes, export. So you can see if you know how to use Protadetails, you can really do your things very fast. Sorry for that. So we need to see the layout, the form plan. So Prota is also a good software. You can use it for quick analysis and really help. So I can just come and do it. I don't know why it is saying like that. Should not be doing that. I need to open foundation layout. Okay. Let me first do this. Okay, it's opening this, so it should be open. Should be able to open the other one. I don't know why. You should be able to open this. Maybe it's the file which has an error. I don't know. Continue. Yeah. So you can see, you can very quickly detail using Protadetails. Thanks guys. So you can come and just finish your detailing, but AutoCAD is a really heavy software. So for those who know ArchCAD, they prefer using it instead of AutoCAD. For those who use Protastructure, they prefer using Protadetails and then you can finish in AutoCAD. So guys, thank you. Subscribe to my channel.